What is going on, Ben Nation? I know that you've been looking for an update for the last little bit. I know I've been kind of quiet, waiting for things to happen. There was an announcement that was supposed to happen. It didn't come out. We're still kind of sitting, waiting. Now we're working on Bybit. I'm going to update you on what I see going on right now. Remember, I'm not with a team. I'm not sponsored, paid for, or promoted by them. So your help would be appreciated if you could hit the like button, leave a comment down below, hit the subscribe button because that helps me out if you're interested in the content, and I do make other kinds of content. So let's kick it off with the first thing, and that's the price action trading around 7,000. Now, zoom in on these lines. I'm going to try to do it for you there. This line right here was a form of support, and that has been broken. So we're going to remove that right now. But I wanted to tell you before I did it so that you knew and kept track of what was going on. Now we're seeing this mini pattern starting to play out. This pattern right here is a bearish pattern. This is a descending wedge. Now, descending wedge generally does not break to the upside. It generally breaks to the downside. Now, that means that we probably are looking at some significant downside. Now, here's the problem with that. Even though it is clear to me that it is potentially on a break to the downside, what I would expect to see as price action happens, I look at the time, I look at the chart, and I get the sense that something big is about to happen because Ben, Cassie, everybody's been fairly silent about everything since they've made the trip. And that usually would lend itself to being that there is an NDA in place that they can't comment on because some market maker is trying to get in on a project at a lower price. So when you go silent like this, it tends to mean that something massive is about to happen. So what I'm going to expect here is over the weekend, maybe we're going to pop here to 7,200. I think that that's probably going to be the cap. Unless it breaks out, and it's going to have to use 72 as support. We're going to have to at least test 7,600, or we're looking at the most likely play out, which is a move to 72 and then a rejection, and then coming down here and testing some fresh lows, probably finding support somewhere down here in the 66 range, and maybe even lower, simply because you got to look at yourself in the mirror and you got to ask yourself, am I going to make it? And if this right here and the chart right now, and the fact that the largest cryptocurrency influencer on the planet, not named Elon Musk, is out here working on a project telling you that he's about to moon this thing, and you think in your mind, he's probably kidding, I'm going to sell, I should probably get out of this right now, then you're just not going to make it. So do what you got to do, but I get the sense, I get the feeling that something big is probably about to break for the Ben token, and that they're just waiting through the weekend. Now, price action pretty much across the board is dictating that. We've had that low coming down, but it's been ranging, and the volume is coming down too. That means that the people in the market, you retail, have started to say, well, you know what, maybe I should go over here to this ridiculous, stupid meme token that you're getting wrecked on, by the way. You guys go to Pepe too, that you're getting absolutely killed on, that you're getting absolutely dumped on, absolutely wrecked on, because you can't just wait for a little while. I mean, guys, you know the drill. So anyway, then we have this, and I'm going to close it with this. BitBoy, so is the big news in 24 to 48 hours off the table? We haven't seen anything for Ben since the video in Dubai saying big things were happening. Things got delayed a bit. My flight home got canceled, and we are working on something with a market maker we need in place, but definitely still coming. So the market maker means that we're probably looking at Bybit, we're probably looking at KuCoin, we're probably looking at a bunch of different things that are going to be popping out. And I want to share with you real quick that there was something that came up on the Telegram, and it was this right here. Everyone here, I just want to tell you, and this, by the way, is Crypto Nakamoto. Everyone here, I just want to tell you, guys, big stuff is on the way. 100% listing Bybit straight after Bybit, KuCoin, and investors' money into Ben. It's few million, can't tell exact figure here, but it is actually really big, exact 10x in next few weeks. Now, that's not, obviously English, not his first language. This is a little bit odd in how it's presented, but I can't confirm any of this because I don't know, but I think the Bybit contest is there. Market maker would fit in with KuCoin. We're only going after top 15 exchanges, and the investor money into Dubai, like they're looking for, let me go back over here, they're looking for a dip. So why, again, is everybody quiet right now on Ben? Well, the answer to that is probably because they're looking for a dip and they're looking for their entry point. But I don't know that to be the case. I'm just making guesses out here like everybody else. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. This is not financial advice. My name is Blaze. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you. Again, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified of future content, and leave a comment down below, and we'll trend this. But I got a feeling that this is going to be a big week. And I've been wrong before. I'm just kidding. I'm always right.
Whoa, another shot of the bullet. Loaded, got complex, cocking and pulling. That bottleneck look like the Loch Ness. What are we doing? I'm about to fall out, boy, in the proofs and the pudding. So, can we forget about the things I said when I was drunk? I ain't mean to call you that. I'm ice cold like the keg the bartender tap. On another level like I fuck around with